Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure AWS CodeBuild with GitHub step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console at aws.amazon.com/console. Sign in using your AWS account credentials. Once signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the console. Type CodeBuild into the search bar and select it from the drop-down menu. In the CodeBuild dashboard, click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to create a new build project. Click on the Create Build Project button to start configuring your project. Provide a name for your build project in the project name field. Optionally, enter a description to clarify the purpose of your build project. In the source section, choose GitHub as your source provider. You will need to connect your GitHub account if you haven't done so already. Click on the Connect to GitHub button to establish the connection. Authorize AWS CodeBuild to access your GitHub repositories. Once connected, select the appropriate GitHub repository you wish to use for your project. In the Environment section, choose the environment image you want for your builds. Select either the managed image or a custom image option according to your requirements. Specify the operating system, runtime, and version for the build environment. In the build spec section, you can either provide a file name or define inline build commands. If you choose a file, ensure it's named buildspec.yml in your repository. Next, configure any additional settings such as environment variables or artifacts. Review the IAM role settings and adjust if necessary to grant permissions for your build project. In the Logs section, check the option to enable CloudWatch logs for better monitoring of your builds. After verifying all your configurations, click on the Create Build Project button to finalize the setup. Once the project is created, you will be redirected to the project details page. Here, you can manually start a build by clicking on the Start Build button. Select the branch and any additional options before starting the build process. Monitor the build progress in real time in the console. After completion, review the build logs to check for any errors or confirmations of success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.